Hey everyone, Steelhead Gray Man Prepping. So yeah, you can see it's a little after midnight, so I'm going to start do my exercising early or late. This will be for the, since today is the 19th, this will be for the 19th. So just some things coming up here. I'm working out in the shop. I'll have some videos coming out here. I did a bunch of work today. I'll do a bunch of work tomorrow, and then I'll have a video out on it. I got seeds coming from my gardener. I got an email this morning, well, yesterday morning, Thursday morning, that the shipment is sent. And as soon as those come here, I'll be planting the indoor garden, because I got specific seeds I want to try out this winter. And so I'll get that going here. And yeah. Oh man, things are getting exciting around here. Anyways, so I'm going to go ahead and start on this. I'm going to be wrapping this up at the end here with a bunch of stuff. I got several things here to show you and to talk about to you. Upcoming events coming up here that are, I think, are pretty important for you guys to know about. And so I'll cover that at the end. All right, well, I'm going to get busy here. All right. Did a few more reps for the leg lifts on the weight bench. Did 26.5 minutes on the Gazelle, 195 calories. So I am improving every day a little bit more. All right, some of the things I want to talk about. This was recommended by a couple of the subscribers that commented on videos and sent emails and stuff. One of them says said I need to go through the entire your prep for today at the end. Do a couple of them at a time. Some said touch on important events, and stuff. So I'm going to kind of mixing things up here. So the first one of the your prep for today was called Brain Aid. And I talked about having a notebook on you all the time. Well, also with a pen or pencil so you can write in it to help you remember stuff, because sometimes you get a great idea and 5 minutes later or 10 minutes later when you finally get to the computer or whatever you're going to do this, like, all right, what was that great idea? I can't remember exactly what it was. So writing it down quickly is one good way to keep up when you have these flashes of brilliance, to be able to write it down and use it later. One of the things I'm doing is on the other channel, Pat and Family Compound, on Mondays. We're covering canning and food and stuff on Mondays now, on the Monday Fire Nights chat. I got Tammy from Rebel Canners coming up. I've had a few other people coming up as well. So one of the things we were discussing is like pre-preparing meals. I found this book here, which was my mom's, and I know exactly when she got it because she wrote inside the cover on it. So it says Eleanor Patton, Martinez, California, September 18th, 1991 is when she got the book. And it covers a whole mess of recipes for soups, stews, breakfast stuff, dinner stuff, lunches, preserving meats. This is a great book. I mean, it's thick. It's not a thin one, and it's only a little bit more than it is. Actually, I think the price came down from the recommended sale price of $17.95 on Amazon. I think it's $1 or so less. So add it to your prepper library. The other thing is an upcoming event next Saturday, not this Saturday. Next Saturday, the 27th, I got Doc Bones and Nurse Amy coming back on the channel again. They're the authors of the 4th edition of the Emergency Medical Survival Medicine Handbook. And of course, they sent me the color version, so I just absolutely love this. What's funny, my son went out and bought the black and white before he realized I had the color version. So anyways, so if you get a chance, next Saturday, 8 p.m. Eastern, 6 Mountain, fill in the other time zones, of Doc Bones and Nurse Amy, and we're covering a lot of issues that could happen during SHTF, Milwaukee, World Without the Rule of Law, whatever, when hospitals aren't around and stuff, things to deal with. And one of the things we're going to be talking about is kidney stones, since I had kidney stones just before Christmas. So, all right, so stay happy, stay safe, stay prepared, add water, food, medicine, clothing to your prepping supplies, learn a new skill, and plant an indoor garden. You need to get prepped up for this winter.